What up, you guys? But now I'm back to it. So I started with a valve lash and I was like, takes it off pretty good. Still taking a long ass time to strip it down to bare metal, but I'm also thinking to spice it up, meaning I'll make it nice, because the last time I painted this valve cover was 4 years ago. Crazy this stuff is. I mean, check out the paint, how much it bubbles up. I'm back to this thing and the results talk for themselves. I mean, it looks really good. You know, I wish it wouldn't have all these scratches and shit. I don't think the camera picks it up. But it has some scratches here and there. I wish I could just clear coat it and leave it aluminum, because it fucking looks bomb as I stripped it. Maybe if I end up getting like a new piece, I might do something like that in the future. But just a little more wiping probably and cleaning like spots like this. I'm not gonna record it because I'm way behind on videos, as well as for working on the cars. And finally I can make my ground wire, because I'm trying to make a ground wire a little bit beefier than the old one, because you know this is the old one. My coworkers told me not to change it and put it back, but the thing is I'm trying to make it look nicer, because I mean, how does this look, right? O'Reilly saved my ass, because they have these really nice pieces. That's a quarter here on the middle, and it's also a 6 gauge for a 6 gauge wire. So it already looks so much better, this ground wire. Maybe not this bulky blue part, but I might tape the whole thing, heat shrink it. Damn. Back with another video of the valve cover, but I kind of prepped it for painting. You know, it's not perfect. Also, I saw half designs too on the car meet, which kind of went this way, so it would be like red and black, or black and red, just in case if the oil goes next to it. On red definitely it would show a lot more than on black, so probably that would be a better idea. It's ideas and designs I have in my head, but it's been already a week I've been on this job. Like, I did the valve lash one day, and then, you know, it took me, I don't know, multiple days to strip it and prep it and get it ready. It's still not perfect. I mean, I could go more, but I think that will be overkill at this point of time. Oh, I look like fucking homeless. I'm sorry. Sorry, fuck. I went out with my coworkers yesterday night celebrating my coworker's birthday. Happy birthday, Nina. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start painting it. Actually, we had to move a lot of stuff in the garage because we're gonna have to get the garage door fixed. And yeah, so a lot of stuff behind me. But I set up kind of like this painting station. I know it's a fucking chair, but it's gonna work, I think, perfectly fine. It would be better if I would have more like room here, because I'm gonna have to spray like this. But it should be fine. You know, worst case, what I'm gonna do, I'll wait until it dries, and I'm gonna end up lifting it up and spinning it to make sure I can paint like the sides and edges and everything I need to. Yeah. Didn't record it. Rest in peace. haven't been working a lot lately because I've been just super busy with work and just you know, life and doing other stuff too that's not car stuff. But I went through on my valve lash like the 4th time just to make sure it's good. So that's been done, and I double checked it. So pretty much now I'm ready to put the valve cover on, which came out actually pretty good. Just wanted to make it really nice, so I'm gonna try to prep this right now with the gasket and everything. Finally put it back, because fuck, I didn't think it would take about 2 weeks to complete such a project, but you know, stripping it took me a couple of days alone, nearly a week. So yeah, and actually I'm glad I didn't cover these up, and it came out pretty sick in the car. There we go. Damn, there you go. Have to just clean these up. Other than that, I should be ready to go on. Well, my dumbass forgot to record when I just slapped it on right now. These I'm trying to put the nicer ones, you know, in the front. They get beat up over the time, you know. Evasive Motorsports got me hooked up onto this. Pretty good price. It's not that expensive of a mod. Alright, you guys. Well, I didn't end up recording it. I actually ended up taking my Beamer to smog, and it passed smog. Finishing up the Integra, you know, not much left. I also ended up installing the brake booster bracket from Evasive Motorsports, and it should give me a little more firmer pedal feel. Yeah, my grandma actually came out pretty good, you know, a little hidden. I'll finish that up, you guys. I don't think I recorded. Sorry, I'm kind of sucky with recording, but you know how I roll. It's pretty fucking sick, you know. Man, me